Hello. What's going on, guys? It's Bert Ferguson, Realtor, coming to you guys with another video, and I'm gonna get straight into it. This week, we're gonna be talking about real estate investing again, but it's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna tell you guys, from a realtor's perspective, how you can be a better real estate investor. 1, get your real estate license. A lot of videos you're gonna watch, they're never gonna tell you to do that. And you don't have to do that to be a great real estate investor. You don't need to get your real estate license, but I'm telling you, it is a serious hack. Not only do you get access to the MLS, you'll be able to get access to join local associations, so that way you can get into properties with lockbox access, and you'll be able to get to know the contracts, the rules and regulations, so that you can carry out so much more of your deal. Even though I'm a realtor, I've met a lot of investors who don't have the real estate license, and the one key thing they need is me. I have access to the MLS, I have access to lockbox, I have access to contracts, and I know the market very, very well. Why not you be able to do that for your real estate investing business? 2, all right, so the second thing is, know what kind of real estate investments you want to do. There's so many different ways to use property to make real estate investments, whether it's fix and flip, buy and hold, notes, novations. There's so many different lanes that you can go into when you do real estate investing. So you should know which avenue are you going to go down and study that intimately. So number 3, you've got your real estate license. You know which lane you want to go into when it comes to real estate investing. 3 is financing. And I'll even make it a 3.1. Financing, one of the best places to find financing for real estate investment deals is join a local real estate association. These are real estate associations that for real estate investors are usually local, and they have meetings once a month. Delaware has one, of course, where I'm at in the state of Delaware. You do have one. You can go to these meetings and you can meet so many people who have access to financing, and they'll show you how to raise capital. You do not usually want to use a traditional mortgage, even though they have options for investors to do the real estate investment deal. A lot of the deals of real estate investments are made in the fine tuning of the financing. So hard money, or being able to use retirement accounts, so many different ways where you can access funding. Well, guess what? Joining a local real estate association and getting to know those individuals will catapult your financing options and really get you into the game. All right. And number 4, to be a better real estate investor, what I would say is maybe shadow someone on a project so you can see the ins and outs. And then when you're shadowing someone on a project, let's make this 4.1. When you're shadowing someone on a project, you want to pay attention to the contractors and the service providers. Having contractors and service providers that are already vetted and that you know are going to be one of your biggest and most important decisions. So let's say you buy a property, $70,000. Well, this property needs about $30,000 to $40,000, so its after repair value can be close to $199,000. Great. The problem is, how do you actually keep that $30,000 to where it's supposed to be? And how do you know that contractor is not going to run off with your money? How do you go about doing that? What kind of contracts do you use to do that? How do you pay someone as a contractor? Do you do a draw schedule, or do you pay them all out up front? These are things that you're not going to know if you've never invested in real estate before. So you should shadow somebody who's already doing it. I don't care if you need to take them out to lunch, if you need to pay them. What they're really going to want is probably some money. So if you can partner up with someone who's already done a deal, or maybe get in a real estate investment group, as far as a local real estate investment group where you can put some money in, a small amount or a nominal amount, and you can be a part of a deal and you can understand how everything goes about. All right, so those are my 4 tips to be a better real estate investor. Again, this is Bert Ferguson with the Rush Home team of Compass here in Delaware, coming to you guys with another video. You can reach out to me on my cell, 302-204-1347. And you can also check me out on social media. All my different social media links I'll leave down below, whether that's Facebook, X, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok. Okay, there's so many, but you can find me on all of them. And that's more real estate advice, real estate topics, my experiences, and I know a lot of you guys out there, real estate investing. This is a good one for you guys. All right, follow these 4 things. report back to me on how it went. See ya.